As a follow-on to my Millennium Falcon restoration videos, I thought I'd show you one more tip for something that's often broken when it comes to restoring Millennium Falcons, and that is this cockpit section. On the videos that I did, the cockpit piece that I had used to replace it actually still had the two tabs in place. This one here has them both missing, they've snapped off. And this is a really common problem, and so without those two pegs in place you can't actually sit this sort of front console piece in place, it just won't fit. So what you need to do is to replace these pegs. The front one isn't so important because the peg inside the Falcon rests exactly on that, so without it you can use glue or a hot glue gun to stick it in place, but this back one is actually very important. The socket that it goes to in the Falcon rests about this far away from that peg, so you need to make something to sort of bridge that gap so that you can then glue the two bits in place. So what we need to do is add something there, and what I'm going to do is use some very small screws, as you see here. They're quite long, but they're sort of fairly small diameter screw. So what you first need to do is to drill a hole into the peg portion that's left. As you can see here, I've drilled a hole, and I'll show you a video now of me carefully drilling that hole out. I use a very small drill bit and go very slowly, and then once that's done, take your small screw and carefully screw it into the new hole, making it just about making the hole just large enough that the screw goes in place. Once that's done, remove the screw, and then using a pair of cutters like this, cut the head of the screw off, so you're just left with a long pole like that. And now you can glue this in place. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to use a small amount of super glue, drop that into the hole, just a small amount of it, like so. Then I'm going to take my screw with the head removed and screw it in. Because you've already screwed the screw in first, this is actually pretty easy to do. You can do it by hand with just your fingers. And then we're going to let that glue set, and that should replace the peg quite nicely. So let's let the glue go off and we'll sit this back in place. And so here we have the final piece. As you can see, the screw is now firmly held in place, the glue has gone off, and this is a pretty good replacement peg. It's pretty firm and should hold the cockpit in place nicely. So if I go ahead and slot this in like so, you'll see now that the screw stops this cockpit from moving about, and I can go ahead and just glue this in, and that's a pretty good replacement for the common problem of the broken pegs on the cockpit console piece inside the Millennium Falcon. Thanks for watching.